If you are a beginner in crypto and don't know how to buy and sell Bitcoin or any other coin in Binance, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can find coins according to pairs and how to buy and sell coins instantly. So let's start the video. So this is the homepage of the Binance application. So if you want to buy any coin, you must have USDT or any other coin to buy another coin. So I have USDT in my spot wallet. Let me show you on spot USDT. So here you can see I have 79 USDT. From this USDT I will purchase another coin. So let's purchase Bitcoin from this coin. Now here you have to click on the markets and type which coin you want. Let's say here you have to type the short name of the coin, just like BTC for the Bitcoin, ETH for the Ethereum. So in this way you have to find the coin. Now I want to buy a Bitcoin from my USDT. So I will search BTC. So when you search BTC, you will find many pairs, just like BTC/USDT, BTC/FDUSD/TUSD/BUSD. Similarly, you will find many pairs. So I have USDT. So I can buy Bitcoin from USDT. So I have to select this pair. Let me select this one. So when you click on the pair, you will see this graph. This is the Bitcoin graph, or whatever coin you select, you will see the graph of that coin. On the bottom you can see there is buy button and sell button. Now I want to buy Bitcoin. Click on the buy. Now I want to buy Bitcoin. So buy button is already selected. If not selected, you can select from here. Alright. On the bottom you can see there is a limit option is already selected. Click here. And here you can find limit, market order, stop limit, trailing stop, OCO. I have already created videos on all other options. You can subscribe my channel and find the playlist for these videos. So if you want to buy coins instantly, you have to select market. And here you have to type that how much USDT you want to spend for this coin. I want to spend 50 USDT. For 50 USDT I want to buy Bitcoin. Alright. And here you can see the filter that how much percentage of your amount you want to spend. Let's say 20%, 50%, 80% or 100%. But I want to type here 50 USDT. Now click on the buy BTC. Success! In less than a minute we have purchased Bitcoin from USDT. To see your purchase, click on wallet, spot, search BTC. Click on BTC. So here you can see we have purchased $49.71 of Bitcoin. We have to pay a little bit fee, and here you can see the trading fee which we have paid 0.0012. So whenever you buy any coin you have to pay a little fee. Now let's say you are in some profit and want to sell this coin. Just click on sell. Make sure that sell button is selected. Now again you have to select market here. How much USDT you want to sell for the Bitcoin? I want to sell all my Bitcoins, and here you can see I will get 49.3 USDT. The available Bitcoins are 0.0011, maximum 49.69, and estimated fee is 0.036. I want to sell 100%. Click on the sell BTC and success. Now my Bitcoin is converted into USDT. Let me show you wallet, spot, USDT, and here you can see I got 49.32 USDT once again in my wallet. So in this way you can sell and buy any coin. If you face any problem, you can leave a comment on this video. See you in the next video.